There are three types of line equations. The first is point-slope form, and that is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So for the y1 and the x1, you would put in your point that you have that is on the line, and m is the slope. So for the second type is slope-intercept, which is y is equal to mx plus b. And here m is the slope, b is the y-intercept. And last is standard form, and that is ax plus by is equal to c. Here we have an example of point-slope form. So we have our slope and we have our point that is on the line. So we have y minus y1, which is 2. So y minus 2 is equal to m, which is 3, times x minus x1, and our x1 is 9, so it's x minus 9. To change the equation into slope-intercept form, we first distribute the 3 to the x and the 3 to the negative 9. So we have y minus 2 is equal to 3x minus 27. And then we add the 2 to each side. So we have y is equal to 3x minus 25. You can see this fits the equation y is equal to mx plus b, and these are the y's. 3 is m, we have the x's, and then negative 25 is the b. To put the equation into standard form, it has to fit ax plus by is equal to c. So first we subtract 3x to get the x on the other side, so we have negative 3x plus y is equal to 25. And you can see this fits the equation. So say we want to find a line that is perpendicular to the line we had before, which was y is equal to 3x minus 25, and we also want it to include the point 1, 2. So we know that perpendicular lines have inverse opposite slopes, so our slope for our line would be negative 1/3. So then all we have to do is put it into point-slope form with our new slope and our new point. So we have y minus 2 is equal to negative 1/3 times x minus 1. So then we distribute the 1/3. So we have y minus 2 is equal to negative 1/3 x plus 1/3. And then we add 2, So our final perpendicular line would be y is equal to negative 1/3 x plus 2 1/3. So now we want to find a line that is parallel to the line we had before, but also includes the point 2, 1. So parallel lines have the same slope, so our slope for this line will also be 3. So we put this into the point-slope formula again. So we have y minus 1 is equal to 3 times x minus 2. And then we distribute. So we have 3x minus 6 is equal to y minus 1. We add 1 to both sides. So our final parallel equation will be y is equal to 3x minus 5.